BPS 10th D from Vashist Public School, Una, Himachal Pradesh. And today we are standing before you to present our project, which is the automatic water draining cooler. We all are having coolers at our homes, and we know that stagnant water is the house to the worst of bacteria and disease-spreading mosquitoes. We are not so interested in always draining out the water, right? Like when you are going out home, you are not thinking to drain out the water every time. So to tackle this issue, we have come up with a clever solution.
So we have made a project that will automatically drain out the water that is stored inside a cooler according to the timer we set, even if it is off. Only it will work when it is off. If it is on, then it will not work.
So we have this cooler, and there are mainly 4 components that we have used. The first one is the timer. This timer shows that how much time is left in the water from being drained out. For example, you have left the home and the timer you had set was for 24 hours and the cooler has not been used for 24 hours at total. So the timer would tell the pump to turn on and drain out the water.
Secondly, we have used a pump here. It will help us to drain this contaminated water that is stored inside the cooler. The contaminated water will not be wasted. It will be used for watering the flowers in your garden.
Now next thing that we have is the water level detector. This is a sensor that we have used. This shows that when the water has been completely drained out. So for example, the water is draining out for 2 minutes and it has been completely drained out and the level is 0, it would detect that and would tell the pump to automatically turn off.
And final component that we have used is the battery. It will help us drain the contaminated water and it will provide power to the pump and the timer.
Yeah, so these were the 4 main components. Now let's see what are the advantages of this project.
The main and the most useful advantage of this removing out process of the contaminated water is that you all know that the contaminated water is the breeding house of so many mosquitoes. It leads to so many diseases such as malaria, dengue, etc. We can overcome this problem by using this product. This is a very much useful product.
And even there is absolutely 0 human effort because you do not need to always remember about draining and refilling the water. As this is completely automated, it would automatically drain out the water once the cooler knows that you are not using it. So it drains out the water completely and you can be tension free and with no worries.
Now we have made this product not to inspire but made it more, we hope to make this product more affordable and complete.
We hope that this would be a success in the first and second tier consumers and this would reduce one step in making